In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Stardew Valley SMAPI. You're going to go to smapi.io. I'll leave the link in the video description. Click on the button that download SMAPI. In my case, it will be the version 4.5.1. Then it will give you choices where to download. So you pick a site. In my case, I chose Nexus Mod, and I click on the button that says manual. So this is the file that they downloaded. I extract the downloaded file in zip format, so it unzip into a folder. Run the file that is appropriate to your operating system. For my case, I'm using Windows, so I double click on the file that says install on windows.bat. When it runs, it asks me do I want to add or remove SMAPI. I select option 1. The option 1 shows the folder where my Steam Stardew Valley is installed. Your folder could be different depending on where you install it. Now it asks me what do I want to do. I enter 1 to install SMAPI. After SMAPI installed, it says if you use Steam, then you set your launch option to enable the SMAPI. So it gives you the path, the command to enter into your launch options. In Steam, right click on property on Stardew Valley. Under general, in launch option, you paste the command that I gave to you before. When you run Steam Stardew Valley, you're gonna have like a console and show your output, and it shows you that it's loading what mod. So in this case, for me, it loads like 2 mod. If it doesn't show any error, which is the text in red color, then that's good. It also gives me like kind of like warning that they found MSI afterburner and rebirth tuner that might conflict with SMAPI. Then if we experience error or crash, then they give me like suggestion like disable the software or add an exception for SMAPI and Stardew Valley. I hope this video helpful for you to be able to install SMAPI for Stardew Valley.